Ready to block out the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to redefine your peace with industry-leading noise cancellation. Seriously, these are the best noise-canceling headphones I have ever tested, creating an incredible bubble of quiet, perfect for focus or travel. Beyond silence, you get an astonishing 30-hour battery life, meaning your music, podcast, or calls last through the longest commutes and workdays. And for ultimate convenience, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. It's this blend of cutting-edge technology, supreme comfort, and thoughtful design that truly sets the WH-1000XM5 apart from the competition. Whether you're a student needing quiet study time, a remote worker, or just seeking an immersive audio experience, these deliver. If you're looking to buy the ultimate wireless headphones for premium sound and focus, check out the Amazon link in the description below. They might be a premium investment, but the unparalleled performance and versatility make them absolutely worth every penny. No other wireless headphones offer this complete package of world-class noise canceling, marathon battery, and smart connectivity. For anyone serious about upgrading their audio experience in 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are my top recommendation.